right. No, that one was on purpose, kid. That one was on purpose. Bitcoin hard down? By the way, that phone call is over with. And Voss with that hard down. Let's see. VIX under 20. Look how VIX is sliding. Ooh, GFAI up 40 still. I think I did. I think I got a great deal. I think I had a great deal. All new free equipment. All new. I don't even know who Dave Ramsey is. So like $55 plus free shipping, handling, all and any other expense that may come of this technical difficulty. Sometimes you gotta be harsh to those people, I'm telling you. GFAI trying up. It's already at 41%. Phone call was a lot longer than I had anticipated, but they kind of usually are. Look how tight TRKA is. All right, there we go. There we go. FFIE down to the 200. FIE to the 48. AQSD to $2. Nice. I don't know why that wasn't on my watch list. Yeah, it's all reset. Ooh, mmat is up nicely. Ooh, mmat's up very nicely. Run the speed test, good call. It's fucked up. MULN trying 200. I have it's a 2-in-1 type scenario. It's very blurry. It does always suck. Fuck. Well, hopefully my upgraded internet speed helps a little bit with the new shit. Bitcoin. I really hope it holds that level. No, I agree. Hopefully Bitcoin is double bottomed. And Matt coming up on average volume for the day. So I've been working on chicken tortilla soup video 4 days now. I bet you it's delicious. We have a gold cross here on TRKA. Ever so slightly. Bitcoin trying with that double bottom. Hopefully I'm back. Yeah, you just needed a little bit of a... Yeah, Scott, I got lucky. I actually sold my GNS early, like first, like pretty much first thing. I got really, really lucky with my GNS actually. So I sold GNS in the morning, and I bought MULN right. Where did I buy MULN? I bought MULN like right in here, unfortunately. So I'm still down, but I'm not down nearly as much as I would have been. Trying up. The only reason I invested in MULN again, or that I'm trading MULN again, is because they put out a release saying that they acquired counsel that has, expertise, or that has worked with Share Intel, and then after the reverse split, I'm assuming that that was to count the share, or to do like a share count. So that's why I threw money in MULN. Yeah, mmat is breaking out. Thank you, sir. MULN's trying to go with it. I don't know. Sorry I had to restart the stream, guys. If you guys could all, re-like it, that'd be great. But yeah, sorry I had to restart stream. Y'all know I hate doing that. IDEX on a floor, you think? I did. That could be like a compliance thing, though, Sean, because they had compliance coming up like May 1st, I believe, or something. It's worth looking into, like the compliance date for IDEX. So they're showing average volume on MULN, even though obviously these numbers are going to be skewed because of the reverse split, but they're showing average volume is 25.89 mil, and we're already at 31.5. HCDI pop this afternoon. GNS 101, ouch. Sorry, but devil here. Share Intel has not worked for one ticker except announcing they hired Share Intel. I'm just hoping that they do their job. GCTK trying to move. MULN's RSI is 75, 74. Open is pretty much unch. SPX still lost 4,100. Bitcoin. What are you doing? It's trying towards the 24. Oh, him. Okay, you're talking to him. I was like, I didn't leave for a week. BBIG up 4. 6.8 on CXAI. UVXY is up 8.5. That's 418. No, you're good, dude. You're good. Do you? Toro to 12? That's one of Chad's plays. Rip. Rip, rip, city, bitch. Bitcoin down to that key level. Okay. Message me on Discord so we can take. Oh yeah, you're talking to him. Okay. MMat might try to retest this 20-cent level. Okay. Actually, wait. Oh, man. Down to the 20-cent level on MMat. Let's see if we can hold it. Bitcoin's RSI is a 40. And Matt, little tiny gap right there. Be aware. SFT up another 6%. Anyone in VRI? I'm not in VRI. Is anyone in VIRI? SIT? Underneath the MACD as well on Bitcoin, obviously. RSI to 44. MULN on top of the MACD, RSI is at 60. TRKA pretty much inside the VWAP. RSI is at 47. MMAT, RSI is at 53, obviously on top of MACD. I feel so alone. Bitcoin towards the 48. Q's pretty much lunch. AI up 2%. Scott, wait, what do you mean? Do I know anyone who could... I don't know what you mean, Scott. Oh, let me get the... I have to get my block trade indicator back up from when they shut off my Wi-Fi. One second. All right, that's down and that's up. Okay, cool. Coinbase up 2.5. Ooh, ape. Hello, ape. Hello, ape. Turn their hand to anything? I still don't understand what you mean. I mean someone who can turn their hand to anything. Wait, what do you need help with? Go ahead, take that. VIX back to a 20. Ape trying higher. FFIE looks like it's in kind of like a cup. Looking for a handle up. 13 back on top of the 48, and the 24 is at the 48 right now on FFIE. There are certain people who could do anything. Yeah, but I don't know what you're trying to... I guess I'm just misunderstanding what you're trying to do. Or trying to say. MULN trying towards VWAP? We'll see. Wow, MCOM is down another 7.15%. At 81 cents. At 81 cents. All right, let me turn my camera back on. My bad. MULN up. Come on, baby. Take that. Take it. Take it and run with it. MMT trying to hold that 20-cent level. It's in a bull flag. What are we going to do? This right here just looks like a buy. EMAs are pretty much in line, other than the 13 needs to get back on top of that 24. It's moving within a thousandth of a penny again. And Matt's trying to break that bull flag. MULN at 33 million in volume. It's saying that the average. I know that obviously with the reverse split, like the data's gonna be a little bit off, but it's saying average just under 26 mil. Go ahead, baby. Carry us. Let's go. Boils down to 274. IT, you're still confusing me. It's up on him. Yeah, you're confusing me. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. No, okay, no. No, Scott's confusing. Scott's confusing, and I didn't understand what you meant by, like, a magician. That's all. They just try to super trend TRKA down. That's funny. Heads up on mmat. She looks about ready. Over average volume. Bitcoin towards the 48. GameStop 1937. Oh, Highcroft went red. Ape just dropped 160. 159 now. Carvana up 3.25. VIX to 20.07. NVOS still 12 up. Interesting. GFAI to 41%. Man, that call made my day like so long. I swear to God. It feels so long. TRKA to view up. And back down. It should all go at once. Go ahead. Go ahead. $6 on AMC. Bitcoin's just chilling at the 48, trying to break. TRKA. Get out of there, please. TRKA is sitting on 6.76 million in volume. Average is 18.3. MMat 9.34. See, can we hold that or no? MULN's trying to hold VWAP up as well. Same deal. AI up 2%. GCTK is up 18.5. Money is up 7. Ooh, looks like we are trying to hold over VWAP on TRKA. To the 48 again with Bitcoin. Sorry. All right. RSI and Bitcoin is a 50. MMAT's RSI 53. Trying to spin on the MACD. RSI and MULN's a 59. Above the MACD on VWAP. Hey, can you pull PRST when I have a minute? Yeah, no problem. Hello. Yeah. I kind of like the 4 hour. Just watch your resistance level at 413. So like $1 away, essentially. But I kind of do like that on the 4 hour. What's the RSI on a 4 hour? RSI on a 4 hour is a 56. On a 30-minute, though, the RSI is a 70, so it's a little bit hot. You are getting the 13 over the 200, though, on a 30-minute. You are also coming up to a gold cross on the 30-minute. You're at resistance right now as well. You just got to break this nonsense right in here. And then you're going to want to watch for 332. Actually, I'll just mark it up for you, because why not? About like there. All right, so watch for about 330 and then 355. And then after that, then you have 413. Those are like heavy levels. Popped. GCTK popped again. Oh, yeah. No problem, dude. No problem. People who support me get, like, expedited service, if that makes sense. Like, I hate to say it so bluntly, but it's just kind of how it is. Luck, chill out, buddy. This might come down to a tradable level, guys, on CXAI. Just saying. It's been a weird. It's been like that for like the last like week and a half, I'd say. Just about the same amount of time that like my stream's been kind of screwed up, right? A lot of MULN blocks coming through. There's eating supply of EWAT. Boiled 272. VRM all the way down to 75 cents. My God. I'm getting murdered on that play, to be quite honest. My average is like around like 90 cents. IDEX down 10%. MMT curling. Go ahead, MULN. Next level. Nope, next level. Hopefully this follows the trajectory as well. Next level. Where's the next liquidity level? Oh, lucky, that's enough, buddy. This is actually a key level that we're trying to take at 140. We're 139, we'll call it. Want to overtake that ASAP. MMAD is up 10%. Well, 9.4. Hopefully that doesn't come down for double bottom. Very well might. TRKA has like no volume. Yeah, I did. Pretty much where it's at, like trading at now. I got in at like 137, 138. Like I didn't get the best fill on it. But I did save myself a good amount of money by getting out of GNS in time before it dropped. I do want to get back into GNS though. That's the issue. So now it's just like hopefully GNS doesn't pop overnight or something. Or maybe I'll just day trade this. I don't know. Uh-oh, Bitcoin trying that key level. Fuck, we're losing. I don't want to lose Bitcoin here. Uh-oh. MMAT 9.4 up. FHN, nice comeback. Wow, FHN. Woo! She's about to go again. 92.8 in volume, and average is 14. She may just pop again. Okay. FFIE potential. I'm going for potential breakout there on FFIE. Wow, look at AQST. Let's go. AQ fucking ST. Three little soldiers here on Bitcoin. So far. Ape off the highs. Yeah, that's an ugly chart. VIX dropped 20. Okay. UVXY at 412 still. Want that under 4 ASAP. FFIE. Bitcoin trying to hold. Come on, baby. NVOS again? Okay. NVOS. You took a nap. It's a boring day. Yeah. This morning it was alright. Now it's just kind of boring. A little bit. It's alright. We got to be here for the days that are, like, you know, boring too, in order to make sure that we're in position to capitalize when it's time to capitalize. All the EMAs are in line here on NVOS. What's volume like? Volume's above average daily volume. Oh, Bitcoin down. No bueno. Next level. Go ahead, MULN. I think it needs Bitcoin's help. The TRKA chart is just, like, laughable. Like, look at that shit. All over the place. The EMAs are in line now, though. Bitcoin's RSI is at 34. Trying back up. We did lose that key level. Need to get on top. Oh, man. MULN. Please hold. If MULN holds this, it could really move. Get back up there. Inverted hammer on Bitcoin. VRM to 74 cents. Indecision on Bitcoin. Still under 4,100 on SPX at 40.64. Gordon Gecko, what's up, buddy? Welcome to chat. What's the general feeling on TRKA? Not if some of them are restricted. I'm very, very heavy on TRKA myself. A lot of indecision on Bitcoin. I'm doing well. Doing well. I just had to call Xfinity because they were screwing with my internet and my connection to YouTube was not working. So that was a little bit unexpected. Other than that, A-okay. Same. But I'm confident. Same, but like I don't know. I'm just confident. Like I wouldn't have gotten myself so heavy into it to the point where like I'm kind of like, am I too heavy? You know what I mean? Unless I was like as confident as I am. If I E to 21%. Trying to break out. Gotta clear this cup. Hard to see how they make $1 at. Wait, $413 million market cap. Wait, what are you talking about? You mean outstanding shares? Yeah. But keep in mind, though, the last 50 deals that Jeffries has done, zero of them have resulted in a reverse split. So I kind of like the statistics. Oh. What up, Volk? How you doing? Go ahead, Mullen. Eat a blue pill. Eat a blue pill. FFIE near that breakout. And Voss, yeah, I saw that. We were just on it 2 minutes ago. Give me 1 second. I'll pull it up for you again. Ooh. And Voss. Doggos are good. Thanks for asking. Nobody ever asks. Doggos are good. MULN. MULN. Keep going. Where's the next liquidity level on MULN? Sorry, guys. I'm marking different levels that we got to worry about on MULN. There we go. No, because I am not properly informed about the about GTII. I do not have the knowledge to give you a straight answer. Unfortunately. I do not have a position now. Bitcoin trying to break out of the descending wedge. NVOS broke that bull flag. Little cup action as well. We'll see if we get anything off that. VIX holding on at 20. That's an ugly chart. MMT trying up again. Volume is 10.16, average 9.3. Bitcoin on a super trend towards the 48. Ooh, MMT just threw us a crazy wick. Go ahead, break that. Break that key level. MULN hard down. Caught ourselves with support. MCOM to 80, sub 80 cents. Wow, 140 on SINT. That fucking disgusting. tblt 90 cents. Oh, man. MCOM split was brutal. Jesus. Yeah, it was. At what point do their assets make up more than their market cap? You know what I mean? Bitcoin to that key level and the 48. Rig is up to almost $6. Open pretty much on. SPY to 405.30. Bitcoin looking for a handle. Nice little cup form. Should carry the market. If it follows through, of course. DXY to 101.40. MMT down to the 48. TRKA now below the 200. Let's see. TRKA has 13 on VWAP at the moment. Potential double bottom off the 48 on mmat. NVOS looking for a handle. And down. That's probably going to engulf. That's probably just eating supply. Yep. AMC lost $6. GameStop to 1930. 8 back down to 155 after hitting 160. Back down to VWAP actually on 8. How about AI? How's C3 AI doing? C3 AI is up to 1.8%, give or take. Hopefully that's a double top. Eek. I'll mark that. So double topped at 1782. Hopefully we get a little bit of pressure there. Snap below 8. Bitcoin trying back for the 48. Doc Holiday, welcome to chat. We got MULN options on Fidelity. No. Look at MULN options on Fidelity at $1. In the money options are selling for $1. Yeah, there's something up with the options there. You could just go ahead and you could pretty much do that all day, right? Until they fix the problem. Yeah. Everybody pay attention to what Doc just said. So everybody knows. I don't know how they didn't adjust, but they didn't. The OCC just kind of sucks. It's only Fidelity. I was told eToro isn't selling them. Well, Fidelity's really fucking up then, huh? So on Fidelity, you could literally buy. You spend $101 and profit 37 each. Or no. Sorry, I lied. So every single investment would be 138, and then you could profit $37 off every single one. Thank you. Fidelity said it's the seller's fault. I mean, I don't care whose fault it is. As long as they're giving up the bread, right? Oh, yeah, the customer selling... Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't care whose fault it is, though. Like... Wonder what exchange on Fidelity that price is from. UVXY just under 420. Finger to 4. Ape down. Ion Q to 550 again. FFIE starting to go. She's gone. Out of that, what's it called? Out of that cup. And back down to the cup level. Trying to take that key level, guys. RSI is at 55.5. MULN still trying to solidify VWAP. Verb down 1.75. AMV to 50 cents. $7.15 on Vana. Coinbase 1.5-ish up. AMC just lost $6 again. And Matt holding on to 20 cents. Got rejected off the 48 on Bitcoin. FFIE trying back up off that resistance level. Little support resistance. Coinbase sub $50. Hey, Luckies, can you chill out, bud? Thank you. EVGO still under 6. HYMC just went green. Someone's at my door. Give me 1 second. Oh, hey, Pablo. Give me 1 second. Let me mute the stream. 1 second, guys. My grandpa just got here. Sorry, guys. Is J-Dog who I think it is? A little bit of a gap there. Keep that in mind. Baby gap, but she exists. Toro ended up going. Fuck. Toro. Bitcoin above the level. Toro still stretching? Oh. Maybe one day. It makes it more tradable, in my opinion. But I still don't trust the CEO, so I don't know what that, if that does anything for you. Trying for the 1348 there on Bitcoin. Coinbase trying up, VWAP. I tried trading completely without emotions. To me, it became a technical buy. Welcome to chat. At the current time, I'm staying away from banks that could be in trouble, unless I'm scalping them, like for instance, FRCB. That was a really nice move from 31 cents up yesterday, and then that was a nice scalp. But other than that, I'm trying to stay away from banks. Like most banks, of course. Now, FHN is a different story. FHN is having itself a day. FHN had a really nice start to the day. Now it's bouncing off the 200. See if it could actually take that. Wait, what do you mean about selling, though? Like, are you talking about, like, puts? I mean, if that's what you're talking about, though, it's going to be situational. And I can't really go deeper than that. It would just be situational. Pack W is a risky play either way, exactly. Wow, 268 on Boyle. I don't want to make any comments to that, Ollie, because I'm not a financial advisor. FFIE is up 20% now, or 25%, excuse me. If it just all of a sudden gets a push through this 48, it could fly. I mean, realistically, then you're looking at probably like in here. Not always. Could go SVB way, which option traders couldn't cash out. FRC option traders were allowed to, though. It's a coin flip in that situation. Exactly. Coin flip. Oh, man. I just feel like we were so fucking close, guys. It's like it tastes like the end of the rainbow, you know? Yes, no problem, but you could still say, what do I think I mean? It's up to me to apply what you are saying. I don't know I just don't know the answer to your question. Like, sometimes no play is the best play. That's the way I look at it. No. You're good. You're good. You're good. Sometimes no play is the best play, though, Ollie. None of us are financial advisors. If you're unsure about it now, I think you have your answer, not financial advice. Very good point, Doc. I wish I could give you more, Ollie. I'm sorry that I can't. I just don't. I don't know the answer, you know, and I don't want to give you information that is inaccurate. Thank you for respecting that, though. This is Trading View. Nice. Nice, Doc. Yeah, and good luck. Definitely good luck. Bitcoin towards the 200. Oh. Can we hold it? We're going to be coming up on the Sonic R, though. Trying to hold 200 strong. VIX just dropped 20. AI up. Through resistance. Heads up on C3 AI. Trying to break the 2. I just gave everyone an easy one currently with MULN call option. Yeah, I know. I know. Unfortunately, I don't have Fidelity. Unfortunately. Thank you for mentioning that. That was actually mentioned by one of my mods earlier, but not in as much detail. So thank you very much for explaining that to everyone. Finger. Yeah. BBIG's doing what? That's enough, Lucky. Trying. The other Doc has a question for you, Doc. VIX coming down still. Love to see it. The fight for $6 on AMC at $5.99 right now. Oh, AMC. Nice trajectory path there. Just a standard options chain, he said. Okay, you saw. Top 17s. For when? Hard down on TRKA. Engulfed right back. They're just doing this in they're eating supply in between the 200, the VWAP, and the 48. Ooh, just that 406 on SPY. DXY under 140. Hopefully that's not trying to spike up, though. Currently, there are 50-cent and $1 in the money calls at a $1 premium or 1 cent per share. Options are sold in groups of 100 per contract. Yeah. You know, it's understood. It just, I personally don't have fidelity. I saw MULN ones. Hopefully the dollar index drops a little bit. Must exercise them to get the shares, though. There's no current market yet to sell the options since they are 1 cent. That makes sense. I would literally just sit on the phone with my broker all day long if I had fidelity and just do that. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. If I had fidelity. Can I briefly explain options and futures? There's nothing brief about options or futures. There's nothing brief at all. I'm going to give you a website to go to. That website is basically like my Bible. Just saying. That website is... Ooh. What the fuck did I just do? Oops. Hold on. Sorry. Yeah, but to answer your question though, there's literally nothing brief about either options or futures, so like I'm not even gonna sit here and try. I'd sit here and make myself look stupid. Any news for cannabis? No, not that I'm aware of. EMA is trying to straighten out here on Bitcoin above that key level. Back to 159 on 8. Wait, bear with me and then I'll read that. 1 second. Okay. AMC or Ape Triumph. Senate Banking Committee Chair Sherrod Brown says a hearing on a bipartisan cannabis reform bill could take place as soon as 5/11. Safe Banking Act would give legal MJ companies access to banking services. I think that that's needed. I think that is completely necessary because right now what's happening is it's basically like legal money laundering because they're not allowed to put their money inside banks. Like that's the way that I look at it. It's essentially like legal money laundering. Qs have 316. Depositories are only allowed to accept cash. Yeah, but they're not they're not like allowed to even put their profit in, right? Like I thought that they were banned from banking altogether pretty much. Or am I wrong? FHN, interesting. Am I trying? That was your thought? Okay. I'm happy I'm not the only one thinking some of this stuff. Because I would definitely sound like a really big fucking moron. If I was the only one that had, like, you know, some of these thoughts. FFIE still going? FFIE filling out the pennant. Bitcoin lost that level, trying to fight back. RSI is 36. July 1st is the key date for cannabis. Can you tell? Wait. I'm gonna sound very silly for asking. Why is it a key date, Peru? I don't know the hearing schedule or anything like that. If there's supposed to be like a law pass or not. That's why a lot of California home growers avoid selling to dispensaries after taxes, not being able to deposit the money. It's easier to sell it off the books. Yeah. Sundial? I haven't looked at a sundial chart in probably like 6 months. I don't know. I've never. This used to be cheaper, right? Did they do a reverse split? Because it could certainly cup off of this stuff using that as support. Like the VWAP and the 200. And then just come up, form a cup on the other side. Is Aurora worth a look? July 1st is the day when the richest state of America will legally sell licensed cannabis with banking law. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for that, Peru. FHN about to go for it, it looks like. Oh, I just said thank you. I said thank you for that. Okay. That's probably like around the last time that I looked at one of their charts, to be quite honest. About 40 minutes left. 40 minutes left. I'm surprised Sundial is still on the market, to be honest. Yeah, for real. VIX has 20 back. Yeah, I have 2.5. Bitcoin back towards 48. I'm at those 20 cents. Coinbase lost VWAP. It's all. AI still has 2.5 up. On support resistance. Wait, what do you mean stay? Oh, stayed on the market. I get what you mean. You're fixing his grammar. I got you. Oh, stay clear of sundial? Yeah, I wouldn't. I'm not touching sundial. I agree, Doc. I have to call you Holiday because there's 3 docs now in chat. So I'm gonna call you Holiday if that's okay. Fucking MULN. What's the volume at? MULN's volume is 37.5 mil at the moment. MMat 11.18 mil. Average 9.5. TRKA 7.5 mil in volume. Average is 18. A lot of trading sideways. Bitcoin got rejected off the trend line. Super trend up on C3 AI. This is my favorite AI company. VIX just dropped 20. Again. AQSC just off $2 at 194. UVXY to 410. Rig just off 6. Let's see. GameStop to 1924. At VWAP, trying to spin. Square to $60. Coinbase still under 50. Of course, the inverse Jim Cramer is green. Carvana's pretty much unch. Open's pretty much unch. SPY to 405. Hopefully that treats that as like a double bottom. Kramer said to buy FHN. The one time I have agreed with him lately. Did he really say to buy FHN? No shit. Toro. Heads up, Toro doesn't rip again here. I mean, you could call that an inverse head and shoulders. You could call that a cup and handle setup. Bitcoin through the 200. Let's see if it'll hold, though. Give me 1 second. I'm going to shut my camera off for the rest of... What's it called? For the rest of open hours. There. Just saying. I like to chill out at the end of the day. It's just so funny that, like, TRKA is down 0.3 on extremely low volume. What is that indicative of, guys? Typically a retracement. FRCB, though? Wait. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Hello. Hello, FRC. Out of the ashes. Out of the ashes with FRC. They're definitely trying to set a floor at this level, it seems like. Just because they did volume over here in this area as well. It seems like that just seems to be a floor 140. Don't apologize. Pack W, halt down. Go figure. Oh, the point you were trying to make earlier. Yeah, I was very confused by that point you were trying to make. Top is violent. Guys, let me know if anything happens to MULN, please. Whew! Top is very violent. Some people are capable of doing anything. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Bitcoin, go ahead, baby. Pack W. hold it down. That, yeah. It sounds like Pack W is all but, you know, all but done. Let's see, Pack W. But yet they want to sit there and tell us that the banking system's fine. The only reason that they're saying that the banking system's fine is so that like people don't get even more nervous and cash out. Just saying. Bitcoin, go ahead, blast that Sonic R. GNS 101 chilling. FHN. You think NYCB, not financial advice? There's a rising wedge on the 1 minute the entire day. CMA and Zion could be the next two, depending. Trying for a gold cross on FRCB. They're just pissing me off at this point. Watch, it'll probably barcode until after hours. Ugh, VRM is fucking eating me alive, to be quite honest. Highcroft, Unch. Ooh, Spy. Spy with the push. Spy's trying. I forgot to turn our narrator back on. Spy. Get up there. Spy. Ooh, she went erect there for a second. SPY trying to move up. Oh, man. EVGO 595. Coinbase up 1.5. CXAI 2.9 up. AI 2.6. Ape to 158. That was at 160 earlier. MMAT still has 20 cents. Toro still on the way up. FFIE just didn't stop. Time is it? All right, so if Bitcoin could get this gold cross, I think it's over $6. If it does not get the gold cross, I think it's gonna be under $6. Is that fair? Is FHN? She's close, Doc. She's close. Ooh, Sticks is under 4. Look at FRC go. Come on, baby. Bring it home. Wow, LiDAR. Did I just see 16 cents on fucking LiDAR? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, sub 17 cents on LiDAR. And that back to 9. Ooh, TRKA with the slide. Me no likey. Or it could get really, really good. Holy MULN blocks. Hold on a second. MULN up to a cup. $18 minutes left. there, baby. Bitcoin coming down to the 200. Market-wide sell candle a minute ago. Okay. PGY under 80 cents. MULN followed that up. Right to resistance. I'm going to mark that, actually. Ooh. MULN just took it out, though. Yeah. Still inching closer towards that Bitcoin gold cross. Inflation, the war, the banking crisis, the virus. Lots of countries have huge debt, and population in those countries have huge debt. Key level here on TRKA. If I don't want to drop that. The market's been selling like good news, so do we even want good news? Think about it. You're losing faith? Wait, what are you losing faith in? I'm assuming TRKA? Toro now is 21%. Fucking Toro. God damn. Coming up towards more resistance on MULN. I disagree with you, Scott. VRM is definitely hurting, though. Definitely hurting the chest. Yeah, you watched... Okay, so you watched it go down on low volume. Right? Oh, no, sorry. That's a different point. I'm sorry. I was focused on TRKA. Bitcoin trying to bust that descending wedge. RSI on Bitcoin is 58. On top of the MACD as well. FFIE still on that trajectory path to the upside. MULN pushing. RSI's got to be hot here. RSI is an 80 on MULN right now. Gold cross on FRC. AI, hard move up. MULN 146. Open now green. $405.5-ish here on SPY. DXY 101.40 still. Q's 316.5. Going for the gold cross here on Bitcoin. Remember, guys, this just ripped and then sold off, and now it's up again another 28%. So just be very, very careful with that. And chilling. Oh, looking for the handle there. That's all. On the radio, they were going on about people creating wealth by floating on the market. I think that's what you should do. Wait. What do you mean floating on the market? Just so I have, you know, an understanding of what you mean. Bitcoin going for that gold cross right now. MULN's RSI is a 68. Floating the company. Yeah, that takes... how do I explain? I'm in the middle of something else that would prohibit me from doing that, I think. I'm in the middle of creating something that would inhibit me from doing so. At least trying. VIX at 20. Oh, wait, wrong button. Why VIX over here? I have drive. Well, thank you very much for that. Thank you for the compliment. Alright. Scott, I'm in the middle of doing something like that, actually. So, I can't really talk about that, though. GFAI back up above the 200. Trying, at least. It'll be good if it works out, but if not, then I'll just, try elsewhere. Whoa, MULN. Lots of blocks on MULN. Holy shit. Somebody just bought 80,000 shares of MULN. 100,000 shares of... Holy fucking MULN. 17,000 shares. All on the ask, of course. How did Bill Gates get rich? He floated Microsoft. Well, he bought a program and then went public with it. And he bought the program, essentially, and then did more with it. But that takes capital that I currently do not have. I get the idea. It takes money to make money, and I don't have that kind of money that it would take. This pisses me off right here on TRKA. Literally within a thousandth of a penny back and forth. Crowdfunding to start off. Well, let me see if what I'm working on works out first, and then obviously if it doesn't, then I may be open to other things. Carvana's now green. Bitcoin. Ooh, TRKA. Let's see if it could hold. It's probably going to need Bitcoin's help. Q's 316.22. DXY is 101.40. What do we have going on here with TRKA? Fuck, I didn't mean to do that. I have to do this. That's enough, Lucky. It's fine. Carvana's now up 2%. Ooh, Carvana. Look at that rip. Do I think the internet... I think everybody wants to be a millionaire regardless. Holy shit, it's already 4 o'clock. I'm sorry I didn't give you guys any warnings. I didn't even notice. Huh. Alright, as per usual here, we'll hang out for a minute. We really need to hold on to this, though. We don't want a double top. Thank you, Cat. Thank you. Do I think the internet has amplified it? I mean, it didn't do it any favors. You know what I mean? Of course. Now, guys, tomorrow, remember, I'm going to be late because I have a doctor's appointment at 9:30. So, I will be a little bit late tomorrow. I still think it's odd that nakedshortreport.com is, like, gone. There's a lot of people getting gambling problems in the younger generation in the UK. They call it the YOLO culture, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh. C3AI? Ouch. Finger punched up. Hey, Lucky, chill, bud. VIX closed just over 20. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to dip just because I have some research that I have to do about something. But I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And yeah, I will be late tomorrow, so just keep that in mind, okay? My tinfoil hat theory thinks that Kenny Boy needed them to wipe some numbers, so boop, they're having technical difficulties, just like good old Robin Hood. Alright, you guys have a good one. I appreciate y'all. Much love. Catch you tomorrow. Actually, wait. Let me hit you guys with a bunch of ads first. Okay. Alright, I'm done. Alright. Later, guys. I appreciate you guys.